How to find the perfect rental property, a step-by-step guide. Welcome everyone. In this video today, I am talking to you about how to find the perfect rental property, and this is a step-by-step guide. Investing in a rental property can be a rewarding way to build wealth, but finding the perfect property requires careful planning and research. Whether you are a first-time investor or a seasoned pro, this guide that I provide in this video provides actionable tips on how to identify the ideal rental property, from researching neighborhoods to calculating return on investment and screening tenants. Let's break down the process step by step. Number one is you have to research neighborhoods. The location of a rental property significantly impacts its profitability. Here is how to evaluate neighborhoods. Number one way to evaluate neighborhoods is market trends. Look for areas with increasing property values, growing populations, and upcoming developments. Number two way to research neighborhoods is amenities. Proximity to schools, hospitals, shopping centers, and public transportation boosts rental demand. Number three is crime rates. Check local crime statistics to ensure the area is safe and attractive to tenants. Number four is target audience. Tailor your choice based on your target tenants, whether they are students, families, or professionals. Step number two is to calculate your return on investments. Understanding potential returns is crucial before making a purchase. Number one thing you need to consider in this case is rental income. Research markets rents in the area for comparable properties. The next thing you need to look at is the expenses. Include property taxes, insurance, maintenance, and property management fees. Then you have to look at the vacancy rates also. Factor in potential downtime between tenants. Then apart from this, you have to look at the return on investment. And you can use simple calculations like net annual income, the purchase price, and thereabout. Now, you have to aim for 8 to 12% for a return on investment for a healthy investment. Step number three in getting a good rental property is you need to inspect the property. A detailed property inspection can save you from costly surprises later. One of the things you have to inspect is the structural integrity of the building. Check the foundation, check the roof, check the overall construction quality. In doing this, you may need to go with an expert in the construction or the building field. Also, you need to inspect the utilities, ensure plumbing, electrical systems, and others are in good condition. Then look out for cosmetic repairs. Look for minor issues that are easy and inexpensive to fix, as this can boost property value. I used this cosmetic repair approach when I was buying a Honda car I bought some time ago. I bought that car, I took a mechanic to inspect it, and I knew what the problem is. The problem was the clutch. And when the clutch went down, it didn't come up again. So the mechanic said he would fix it for 2,000 naira. And on, I was able to fix it eventually, and I bought the car. Now step number four is that you need to understand the local news or the local laws. Rental property ownership comes with legal responsibilities. Landlord-tenant laws. Familiarize yourself with regulations regarding leases, security deposits, and eviction processes. Zoning laws. Confirm the property is zoned for rental use. Then tax implications. Understand property tax rates and available tax deductions for landlords. Step number five is that you need to screen potential tenants. The success of a rental property often depends on the quality of its tenants. So you have to look at the background, do background check on the tenant. and this can include you verify where they are working, their credit history, their employment, and their rental history. Then another thing you need to screen in potential tenants is income verification. Ensure the tenant earns at least 3 times the monthly rent. Then the references, contact previous landlords to assess tenant behavior. Then you can also have guarantor for the tenants, somebody that will stand for the tenant, so that when the tenant misbehave, you can have somebody that you can talk to. Now let's look at the pro tips of finding the perfect rental property. Number 1, network with realtors. Work with professionals who specialize in investment properties. Then you need to start small. Consider single family homes or duplexes if you are new to rental investments. Number 3 is that you have to stay patient. Finding the right property may take time, but ensures long-term success. Number 4, you need to leverage technology. Use property search platforms and real estate apps to find potential listings. And of course, we are going to be having listings on this channel in the next few weeks. So from time to time, we're bringing listing for sale and for rent properties all over Nigeria for you to look at and to take action on. Now, you also need to work with property managers. If managing tenants isn't your strength, hire a property management company. Now, let's look at common mistakes to avoid when buying a property for rental purpose. One of the mistakes most people make is overpaying for a property. When you overpay for the property, your return on investment will be low. Then, another mistake is ignoring market research. When a property in the wrong area, it can lead to high vacancy rates. Then, neglecting repairs. Failing to address property issues can deter quality tenants. Number 4 common mistakes is underestimating cost. Always account for unexpected expenses. So you need to know that finding the perfect rental property requires due diligence, strategic planning, and a clear understanding of the market. By researching neighborhoods, calculating ROI, inspecting properties, and screening tenants, you can make informed decisions that lead to profitable investments. Start your journey today and turn your rental property dreams into reality. My name is Dr. Olumigadetitu, and I'm your host on this Dr. Olumigadetitu TV. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel, share the link of this video with your family and friends, and also ask your questions and make your comments in the comment section below. I'm going to come your way in the next video where I'll bring you more content like this, how to make money through real estate. So I teach you how to make money online and offline on this channel, and I am starting an investment club, sort of. So if you're interested, now we're talking about buying real estate for rental purpose. How many people can afford to do that on their own? That is why we have to come together, pull funds together, and see how it can be done. So if you're interested in that investment club, which I am beginning, just comment "I'm interested" and leave your phone number in the comment section below. By so doing, I will add you to the dedicated WhatsApp group where we are going to be discussing the way forward. Until I come your way in the next one, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next you need to see now. Happy New Year once again.